We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for the smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and this stock is roaring higher, breaking newer highs every single day, and nearly went up 20% today alone. We're gonna break it all down in today's video, what to look for going into tomorrow and the rest of this week. But before I do, I want to share with you guys a home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into these charts. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was NURO, and this was beyond expectations, beyond 20% plus on the day, guys. We caught this one as it was consolidating and pulling back in the pre-market, and then it started to reverse with strength, got that bull indicator in the pre-market, continued with strength towards the bell, and took off to a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with DWAC, DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and as you can see, super strong. It jumped from $72 all the way to $90, slightly pulled back now in the after hours, some profit taking, but we are seeing some strength here, and I have 42 vision pulled up. As you can see here, the green bars shifting from dark green to green with strength, and I'm gonna pull up here ultimate 42 vision, which is the bull and bear indicators. As you can see it right here, the bull and bear indicators, when they pop up, there tends to be some weakness popping up, and then once the bull indicators pop up, there tends to be some strength. So the last bull indicator lasted from January 10th all the way to the 13th. A bear indicator slightly popped up, very short-lived. You could see the bulls are dominating, and then another bull indicator negated it, popped up at 68 and continued all the way up to 90. This stock has been roaring since way back here on January 6th, hitting the lows here of $45, took off, slightly pulled back, and the most bearish it's been was that next day on the 7th from 57 to 52, and that's about it. This has been pretty strong here on the 30-minute, and you can now gain access to the 42 vision bars as well as the ultimate 42 vision bull and bear indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators. So we are here with DWAC having strength. If I put the 4-hour, you can also see that this has been super strong. 42 vision has been nothing but green bars with strength and has had a bull indicator since the 6th and no bear indicator in sight to go ahead and negate any of this momentum. I've had people pop up in my comment section down below in the videos stating that the run is over, and I've always stated that, you know, there was a catalyst coming up this past weekend. I don't know if you guys had a chance to watch those videos or actually watch it live. Comment down below your thoughts on it, if you had a chance to watch it, if you were aware of it, and what are your thoughts moving forward on his plans and also how that could affect DWAC, because it's very impactful how those rallies happen over the weekend, and they were a big catalyst to go ahead and push this forward. If you have not been aware of that beforehand, you would have never noticed that there was going to be an impact on Tuesday, today, starting this week, whether that was a great rally or not so great by the price of the stock. And the stock took off 20%, more than it's took off in the last several days. Every single day it's moved up between 10 to 20. Today it was beyond that. It reached almost 25% if you actually do the math. at the peak here at $90. I've also asked, do you think DWAC is going to reach $100? I think it's always been possible, especially because it's done it before, okay? And it's not impossible to happen again. So we had the catalyst coming into this weekend. The weekend seems to reflect in the stock how motivated investors are, and those that watched it has had a bull indicator since way back here on the 6th. And this has been nothing but an anticipatory run towards the launch date in February. Now, one of the biggest things is we could eventually see a slight cool off, okay? And we can't get surprised, because if you got surprised all the way back here on the 6th to the 7th on this slight cool off from highs here of 64 to lows here of 51, you would have been shooken out and missed out on the bigger picture. So I do want to go ahead and bring that up. It's a possibility we could see a cool off the closer it gets to 100. It could possibly miss it right now in the short term, because all this run is an anticipatory run till February 21st. So we got a long way to go. And if this continues, this type of slight cool offs, right? And then another bull run, slight cool off, and another bull run, slight cool off. Let's just say it kind of pulls back, and then it just continues that bull run up across 100 towards 120, towards 150, and possibly back to the all-time highs of 175. That's going to be a big deal. All the way until February, we have enough time. The biggest concern is, how is this going to react after that date? Is it going to hold up? Is it going to slightly pull back? Is it going to cool off back to reality? Because a lot of what's going on right now is the pricing in of that launch date, and everyone, I'm telling you, everyone is excited for that to come. So if it does pull back, there's some key levels I'm watching, right? The first support level based off today's price action is 79. If you just want to round that up to $80, I would. And then if it breaks through 80, the next support would be down here at 69. I would just round that up to $70. Some very key support levels to know if there's strength here, and if it consolidates in that area, that's a big sign of strength regardless, from down here, up to this area, okay? When you really look at it, it's still up. Just because it went up here and it came back down here and it's consolidating doesn't mean the stock is destroyed. This has been a big move. It might be the setup for the next bull run to possibly break through the 90s or 100s. Super important to realize that stocks don't just go straight up, and you could see it. It's had two cool offs every single time before the next bull run, right? Before the next liftoff. So it does take catalysts. It does take volume. That's another thing to watch too. Volume today was 23 million, almost 24, and the average 10-day volume is 10 million. As long as that continues, there is strength here, right? For DWAC, and those inflows continue to rack up. So DWAC is in a strong position. Now, the highest point was $90. If it breaks through that, the next point of reference is 100. Super important to realize that. Once it breaks through 100, we will go ahead and reanalyze based off the history of the chart what would be the next level to watch. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.